Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. My name is Ellen, and welcome to my Southern Kitchen. Today is the day. It is my open collaboration called #Back to School Foods, as we share breakfast and snack recipes that'll be perfect for the kids as they get ready to head back to the classroom. For our collaboration, I'm gonna make a breakfast recipe, and it's a kid's favorite, and one of my favorites growing up when I was in school: French toast sticks. But these ain't your ordinary French toast sticks. We're gonna make cinnamon sugar French toast sticks. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. It's gonna be full of cinnamon sugar. How yummy does that sound? And your kids will enjoy this, and it will help them get their day started. And also makes a great addition to your family breakfast and brunch. Everybody's gonna love this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my breakfast recipes playlist and my previous video, Not Your Mama's Banana Pudding. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your cinnamon sugar, your bread, and turn on your oven sugar, because we're about to bake some French toast sticks magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, over here on my cutting board, I have 7 slices of thick bread. I'm using Texas toast, or you can use challah or brioche bread. And using my bread knife, we're going to cut them into 3 sticks. And what I like about this recipe, we don't need to dry out the bread. Alrighty, I'm through cutting up my sticks. So now we're going to set these aside while we work on our custard. In my large bowl, I have 2 extra large eggs. I'm going to lightly beat them. Alrighty, to our eggs, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm going to whisk all these ingredients together until they're well combined. Love the smell of cinnamon. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through mixed up my custard. So now we're ready to dunk our breadsticks. Going to put it in the custard for a few seconds, and then going to flip it on the other side and drip off the excess, and then we're going to place it on a 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that lined with aluminum foil, or you can use parchment paper, and I spread it with cooking spray so that way our sticks won't stick. Dip in the custard, then flip it on the other side. Drip the excess. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my sticks, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through coating my sticks. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my French toast sticks out of the oven. So now we're going to flip them over onto the other side, like so. Alrighty, so now we're going to put our French toast sticks back in the oven, and we're going to let them continue to bake for about 6 to 10 minutes until they firm and they fully cook through. Alright, my friends, I have taken my French toast sticks out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. So now we're going to brush them with some melted butter. I have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And I'll let it cool. Now I'm going to flip them over to the other side. Alrighty, so now we're going to brush the other sides with some more butter. So now we're going to take a stick and coat them into the cinnamon sugar. Just like that. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish coating my sticks into the cinnamon sugar, and then I'll plate them up, and then we'll give them a taste. I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Cinnamon sugar French toast sticks. Don't that look pretty and delicious? And I garnish it with some fresh strawberries, or you can use fresh blueberries or raspberries, whatever your heart desires, and some maple syrup. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Dip in the maple syrup. Look at that. Have a bite. It's perfectly cooked, crisp on the outside and soft and tender on the inside. And I love the cinnamon sugar on it. These are definitely kid approved. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cinnamon sugar French toastlicious. Wow, what a fun collaboration. I want to thank everybody for joining me. I can't wait to check out y'all amazing and fun breakfast or snack recipe, and I will definitely save it into my back to school foods playlist. And I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and have a wonderful school year.